Welcome to this tutorial where I will show you how to add a profile photo in the VSCO app. If you want to personalize your VSCO account with a photo from your gallery, this guide will walk you through the process in a clear and simple way. Let's get started. First, open the VSCO app on your phone. Next, tap on the profile icon located at the bottom. Then, at the top of the profile page, tap the Edit option to access your profile settings. Then, look, the profile photo field usually has a plus icon. Tap on the plus icon to add a new photo. You will be given an option to import a photo. After that, choose the option to import from your phone's gallery. Browse through your photos and select the one you want to use as your profile picture. Once you have found it, tap on the photo to select it. Next, confirm your selection by clicking on the Import button located at the bottom. This action will upload your chosen photo into your VSCO profile. Finally, make sure to save your changes by tapping the Save icon at the top right corner. Your new profile photo will now be visible on your VSCO account. Thanks for watching.